Hi everyone, in this tutorial I want to show you how to do custom gallery like this. So let's just start. We should go to scripting panel, templates, Python, UI previews. Here we have function which is scanning our directory, which we will give little bit later. This function is scanning for PNG files. So we have here class which is drawing our layout of our gallery panel. In Window Manager we have a variable named by my previous direction. Here we should add path to our images. Let me just show you. Here we have some images. Here our path, and add some backslashes and just run script. Here we have ready gallery. If you choose some image from our gallery, you can see in the console the name of the chosen file. We will use this name in the next steps of development. If you have questions, leave them in the comments below. Thank you for watching.